So I've just demolded the first rear arch, and yeah, my first impressions are really pleased. The mould is more economical, as in I haven't used as much resin as I did in the first one. I went a bit overboard. I didn't quite know how much to use in the first one, so it was actually dripping off the mould when I was doing it. So this one, I've got a better ratio, not using as much product, and this. But it's the surface of this one, of the actual part, doesn't need any work at all to the mould. The first one I did need some touching up to the mould because there were some imperfections here and there. But this one is perfect. I don't need to do anything at all. I just need to tidy up the flange, which is just used for production. But other than that, I could start waxing this now and PVAing it and all the rest of it, and produce a rear arch, which I'm going to do very, very quickly. So I've got to say, delighted with how this has come out.